If you're trying to download a video, for example, from a cloud to your iPhone, you might get an error or it might give you some additional options. Then you could select save to files and then save it to your files on your iPhone, but you won't be able to access it from the Photos app. You could only access it from the files and you could still play it using the VLC player. However, now I'm gonna show you the trick that you could use so that the video would be saved in your Photos app. This is the original video, which was actually recorded using iPhone itself. And then after some edits in the export section for the preset, select match source, adaptive high bitrate, and then expand the video section. Click on more to expand it further. You can check render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. You could also select bitrate encoding with 2-pass. But now when you export this video, and then save it to Google Drive or any other drive. And then when you want to download it to your iPhone, it doesn't save it to your Photos app. So to fix it, go back to the export setting, leave everything exactly as I've shown before or any other settings that you prefer, and then come down to the encoding settings. And here is the trick. Uncheck the profile, then only you could uncheck the level and then select the drop down. And the trick in here is to change the level to 5.2. Basically, iPhone is still not as advanced, so it cannot understand levels beyond 5. So now export this video, save it to your Google Drive again, and then when you go to your phone on Google Drive, and when you tap on download, it won't ask you anymore to save it to your files. And instead, the download finishes, and then when you go to your Photos app, you could see the video that we have exported from our computer using Premiere Pro with the level 5.2 is now successfully saved into your Photos app, and you can play it. After many years of struggling with this problem, I was finally able to fix it. If this video also helps you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel.